Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Django series. So we know how to log in. We have, what about this? So we can get in and we go to our polling page, but we have no way to know how to log out. So today we're going to be looking at the logout method and how to get something up here to log out, and then we're going to build upon that. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do here. We do micro videos. We do one video upon another and we build upon it. So right now we're doing an entire series about building a website, polling. We're dealing with authentication, logging in, logging out, and then we're going to deal with how to restrict access. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So as we can assume, there is going to be a logout method, and then we need to then create our own function. So def, let's see what I got it called, log out underscore user. All right. So we just, it's going to be pretty standard, but then we need to utilize the logout, because just like our login page, you don't want to have it called logout because we're going to be utilizing the built-in function logout. All right, take then the request, and then it's logout request, then return, then we're going to redirect, and we're going to go to login. Close that out. Boom, boom, boom. All right, step one done. So we got views. Now we need to come over here. Let's save this. All right. Yep, okay. So let's bring this over so you guys can see. So comma, path. We don't need this. Copy, paste, and log out, and then what our function is, logout user, goes right here, and then the logout. Now here's where the cool part happens. So step two. Now step three is the awesome part. So I'm just gonna, and I promise tonight it will be up on GitHub, I promise. All right. Now I know this isn't the best HTML. I'm not an HTML guy. I'll own it up. So all right, let's go through what we're doing here. So this is what's very cool. Is we're bringing in a message, going to say hello, then we're going to pull the request.user. So we've already done all of this legwork over here. All right. So the user's already sitting in there, and now this is what's awesome. Then the repeat message. Here's the direct log out, then log out user. Go through here, gets redirected to the login HTML. So, all right, that's what this does right here. Where are we going? How are we doing it? And so on and so forth. So let's check and make sure. Okay, everything's up and running. Let's click back over to here. So let's refresh. Here we go. Log out. So remember John123 was logged in? Bam. But now we have a little bit of a dilemma. If I go here, I go right back to it. All right? Anonymous user, log out. So now the next video, and we're actually going to do a segue, we're going to learn about decorators. Next video, we're going to step out. I thought we had done them. I touched on them, didn't see very much interest in it, so I realized that I guess I did not go through it. So we need to learn about decorators to utilize page restriction. So that's what we're going to be doing the next 2 videos finishing out the week. So there we go, guys. This is the building blocks of controlling access to a website. We got logging in, we got logging out, and very soon, because it's all through the authentication. And then now next, we're going to have page restriction, but we need to learn about decorators first, and then we'll go forward. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll always get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.